Guys, welcome back to my channel. The new 2024 Yaris Cross, more power, technology, and with added style for Toyota segment leading compact SUV. Addition of new, more powerful hybrid 130 electrified powertrain featured in all high-grade Yaris Cross models, including GR Sport and new Premier Edition. Fully digital user experience with the latest Toyota Smart Connect multimedia package, customizable driver instrument display, and digital key smartphone app. Significant upgrades in the performance and the functionality of the Toyota Team Safety and the Driver Assistance System, including the latest Toyota Safety Sense features. New Yaris Cross Premier Edition with ultimate specification and exclusive urban khaki paintwork, and online reservation began this month in selected Europe markets. The Yaris Cross joint is a sibling Yaris hatchback model with the new dual hybrid powertrain, offering and adopting 5th generation Toyota hybrid technology in a new powertrain option, the hybrid 130. This offers a wider choice to the new B-segment customer, downsizing their vehicle without sacrificing performance. The established 1.5-liter full hybrid electric system has been equipped with a new trans axle that features a larger and a more powerful electric motor generator or MG1. This, together with adjustment to the power control unit or PCU, deliver a 14% increase in total system output from 116 Ti NS power or 85 kW to 132 Ti NS power or 97 kW. At the same time, the MG2 motor torque has been increased across the entire rev band, with the maximum rising by 30% from 141 to 185 Nm. The result is a faster acceleration with a 0 to 100 km per hour time reduced by half a second to 10.7 seconds, and the 80 to 120 km per hour overtaking benchmark brought down by a 0.4 second to 8.9 seconds. Where CO2 emissions are concerned, the impact is modest, with the new system achieving a best-in-class 103 to 122 grams per kilometer. The new hybrid 130 powertrain will be introduced in the high-grade models, including the new Premier Edition and GR Sport. The lineup will continue to offer the established 116 DINS power or 85 kW hybrid system, now known as the hybrid 115.